Did you know you can actually make money online? Oh yeah, that's right. All thanks to the internet. There are many legit ways to make money from home without investment. And the best part is, you can do it anytime and from anywhere at home, on your couch, in doctor office, while you wait, at the airport, while waiting in line somewhere, or any other place where you have a few minutes. All you need is a cell phone or a computer with internet access. In this video I'm going to show you 5 legit websites you can make money online. On some of these websites you can actually make as much as $100 a day or even more, depending on the amount of work or effort you put. You probably read your emails a few times a day, watch a few videos, visit a few interesting sites, doing shopping. Wouldn't it be great if you could get paid for doing these things that you already do anyway? Well, there are a few companies that do pay people for doing exactly the things you do every day online. Number 1 is Insta GC. Insta GC is a great platform to start earning money online for performing small tasks such as completing online surveys, watching videos, testing apps, and doing other tasks that usually take no more than 20 minutes. Insta GC rewards you with points for each completed task, which you can later redeem for instant gift cards of your choice or prepaid card, Bitcoins, and PayPal. To start earning with Insta GC, you need to create an account with them. Signing up is free, and everyone over 18 years old can join the platform and start earning. Teenagers from 13 years of age can join the platform with permission from their parents. Now, to sign up, you have to go to their website. The link will be in the description, and click the sign up button. There you can fill in your information or choose to sign up with Facebook, Twitter, or Google account. Insta GC will reward you with 10 points for just signing up on their platform. Number 2 is Whysense, formerly known as ClickSense. Whysense is another reliable website that pays you to complete surveys, watch videos, answer questions, do simple tasks, or by referring your friends. As you can see, Whysense is not a get-rich-quick scheme but offers a good platform to make money. You can earn up to $500 or more per month with Whysense if you are consistent and work hard on it. If you are not a very patient person, this might not be for you. Number 3 is Hashing Ad Space. Hashing Ad Space is the fastest growing, longest standing online business that offers both a valuable advertising product as well as give people a chance to earn real daily income online by minting or watching ads. Signing up on Hashing Ad Space is free, and anyone can join and start watching ads daily in exchange for ASIMI tokens. The ASIMI tokens can be transferred from the platform and be exchanged for other cryptocurrencies or fiat money. Don't get worried, the process is simple. They have established team to assist you 24/7 if you're unable to follow the guides or tutorials placed for you in your back office of the platform. To start earning with Hashing Ad Space, go to your dashboard and click on the tab labeled Transactions, then click on the sub-tab labeled Wallet. That's how simple it is. To the art of hashing ad space. Number 4 is Microworker. Microworker is a crowdsourcing platform that connects employers and workers, also called freelancers, from all over the world. Employers put tasks or micro jobs that are easy to do, and freelancers complete the tasks. In return they receive payment. Micro jobs are on the rise as companies realize the power of crowdsourcing small but time-consuming tasks. Some examples of micro jobs that an employer may assign to freelancers or workers include writing an article for a specific topic, writing a review or blog post for a specific product, liking or subscribing to someone's YouTube video, following a social media account, or joining a Facebook group or page. Number 5 is Swagbucks.
Welcome to Swagbucks, the fun rewards program that gives you free gift cards and cash for the everyday things you do online. You can put cash back in your wallet, earn points when you shop at your favorite retailers, watch entertaining videos, search the web, answer surveys, and find great deals. Redeem points for gift cards to your favorite retailers like Target and Walmart, or get cash back from PayPal. Once you join, it's easy to earn points for all the everyday things you do online. Swagbucks has already given back over $175 million in cash and free gift cards to its millions of happy members. See what a few have to say. Join today for free. Swagbucks. Put cash back in your wallet.
So these are the 5 legit websites you can start earning money online. There are many ways you can make money, so check out my previous video link in the description. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video.